Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a small or medium-ish haul. So I had to go get some more swatch sticks because I am doing a lot. So I just got your basic, your normal ones, like your square-ish ones. The ones that, you know, we've been using forever. I see the stiletto ones and they look so pretty, but I'm resisting for now. So that's obviously a boring section of this, but I also have to talk about this because this is awesome. I've already opened it, and these are little dots that you put polish on, and then when you put the polish on, you cure it because we use gel polish here, and you put them on your bottles. So for example, if you're like me and you keep them in your drawer and you're like, I can't see the label, like, how you gonna tell what bottle this is? Yeah, you're not. So because this is on here, but I keep mine in a drawer. So I put these on top and it's been awesome. So these work super, super well. And this white piece here, I'm sure you can see like the little dots. They're stickers that you can put on the bottles. So they're awesome. And I'll do a separate video on it, showing you guys. That way you can see kind of like what I do, but I love them. All right, next is something a little bit different. So I grabbed these pens. I'll link everything below that I can. Most of the stuff is off Amazon, but I got these pens to draw on my nails. That's right, if you saw my Valentine's Day set with the love, I'll put it up in the corner somewhere, wherever you at, but I just found it. You pull it up. I wrote that with one of these pens, let it dry, and then top coated it, and then I didn't have any smudging. One of them did smudge, so I have to go back in and figure it out, but I think it's because of the matte top coat I use. You want to use a matte top coat on these, otherwise they will smudge. So I will link these below because I did get these off Amazon. Next thing that I got from Amazon are these rings. Super cheap rings, like super, super cheap. They barely look gold. No, I'm just kidding. They're definitely gold, but I just wanted something that I could add because I have some large fingers, so things don't necessarily fit me. So this may fit like normal fingers, but for me, they're like midi rings. So I just went with that. Gotta get them. So they had a huge pack of them, which I think was great. There's a couple colors. Yeah, we have a black, we have an orangey red, and then we have the crystal one, another red one, evil eye, and I think there's one in here. Yeah, there's another crystal one in there. So yeah, just keep them in here. I'll find a home for them eventually. Probably in just like one of these like little tiny containers that I have somewhere. I'll probably have them in there. All right, I got these from Aliexpress. I know these were like so year 2 ago, but I had to get on them. I didn't have any of them, and I got them from Aliexpress, and I liked the ones that it came because some of the ones that I saw, people were like really hoping for like the strawberries in here because they wanted to do that milk bath nail, which I'll probably end up doing because I love it. But they got like the big bag of them and there weren't that many in there, so I just went with a little bit something that's like more expensive for what you're getting. I mean, it's still cheap. It's like $5, $2. Because I can see what I'm actually getting. I hope that makes sense because I'm not gonna use all these. Like, who's gonna use all those? I mean, someone who does more than one nail would probably use it, but not me. So yeah, I grabbed these. I also grabbed this powder. I took off the label top, the seal. It is like a duochrome powder. Let's swatch that. Hang on. All right, this is such a pretty. Oh my goodness! Look at how pretty this is. Imagine this over blue or purple. Look at how pretty that is. And that's over a clear. Like, that is stunning. Let me bring up the light a little bit. Although maybe down would be better. So, actually, I have the two colors that I would probably use on it. Lincoln Park After Dark and Russian Navy. All right, here is the chrome over both. So we have Lincoln Park After Dark up here, and then we have the blue, which is Russian Navy. You can see there. It looks the same on both. Let me bring, I don't know how to make it show the duo. You can see it in person. Maybe higher. I hope you guys can see that. I can't tell if you can see it. Also picked this up. Now, this I had to clean up and lost 85% of the product. This is that mood ring. I mean, I'm not sure if you can see down into that pot. Like, I haven't touched it. Like, it's down in there. And like, if I turn it sideways, like, this is all I have. I ordered 3 grams and I think there may be half a gram left. So I had contacted the seller, but I don't know if they're out for Chinese New Year. So waiting to hear back, but I paid $10 for 3 grams. And you can see there's like nothing left. So I haven't used it yet because I'm waiting to hear back from the seller here. Last things I got, I went to Michael's. I had purchased some of these a little while ago, I think, and I saw them, they were on sale. And so these are the rose gold and light chrome. So you can see it's kind of like a black. It's not like jet, but it's pretty close. And then I got the AB, but the reason I got these is these are little marquee, took me a second to think about that, marquee studs. And I like really small ones. I know a lot of people like the larger ones. And then I picked up these stars. I mean, how cool are these? Might be good for a 4th of July set. So yeah, that's everything that I had picked up. Swatch sticks. And then these kind of swatchy things, which are awesome. I'm telling you, these, awesome. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.